Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all super well today. It is time for another hair change. My hair is fresh, it's blonde, well mainly blonde, there's a little bit of a tint of blue at the end still. But yeah, it's ready to be dyed. I've actually kind of been secretly loving the blonde life. Yeah, and I'm kind of a bit sad that I'm dyeing it, but you guys are wanting to see another hair dye video, and yeah, I feel like this is going to be a cool change. So I'm thinking of maybe sticking with kind of pastel colours kind of moving forward for summer, purely because they fade really quickly and don't tend to stain as much as the really vibrant deep colours. Obviously my hair has been stained blue for a while now and it still is slightly stained at the ends, so yeah, I mean I kind of don't want that to happen again. So the colours that I'm going to be using today are Crazy Colour Peppermint and Crazy Colour Candy Floss. I feel like I might fade this Candy Floss colour down a little bit, but I'm not sure yet. I might not, but yeah, I'm going to be doing these two colours. So I'm going to be doing the Candy Floss Pink on my roots at the top, blending down, and then on the ends I'm going to be popping on Peppermint because it's going to work with kind of the ends anyway at the moment, because they are pretty much that colour already on the very tips. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I really hope you enjoy watching me dye my hair. So let's get going.
Hey, I don't get what this is about. You got my head spinning on my shoulders. I feel it burn inside of my chest. See the lines as they blur out. I can feel it knocking me out. You're bringing me higher and higher in every way, and all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. Got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high, 'cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now, in one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah. Wait, you gotta tell me what you did. I saw the world turning in my mind. Oh, yesterday you pulled the rug under my feet. Still I'm trying to wake me up. What if I'm making it all up? You're bringing me higher and higher in every way, yeah. And all of my doubts, I can feel them, they're fading away. Oh, you're like a fantasy. I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all delusional. 'Cause you got me feeling like I'm lucid dreaming. Got me flying high, 'cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. On an endless road, I'm levitating now, in one of those lucid dreams. In one of those lucid dreams.
So guys, the dye is on. It was a little bit messy. I always find Crazy Colour to be like really kind of liquidy, and yeah, it went on the floor, went on my brow at one point. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for probably half an hour, I reckon. An hour maybe? No, half an hour, because I don't want it to last that long. I want to be able to change my hair up like a lot more than I usually do if I'm using pastel colours. But yeah, so I'll leave it on for about half an hour and I'll wash it out and I'll be back to show you the finished look. I hope you're excited. I am. Guys, I'm back and this is the finished look. What do we think?
I walk within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze. I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got me feeling
I'm so pleased with how this has turned out. I did think it would be a little bit more vibrant than this. I'm glad I didn't water down the pink because it's actually quite light as it is now. Yeah, I feel like it is a little bit patchy there. I've gone a bit far down with the pink there. But overall, I don't think it looks that bad. I think I've done a pretty good job at blending. It blends okay. I quite like the fact that it looks quite silvery. I mean, the blue has come out at the bottom. Well, it's like a pepperminty, minty, bluey green. But I have to say, I feel like it looks more of like a tint than like a semi-permanent dye. Like, I feel like I've sort of tinted my hair than actually compared to like properly dyeing it. But it's obviously because the colours are a lot more pastel and lighter. But yeah, I love it. I feel like it looks really cool. And it's nice that like it's still, my hair still looks quite light. Rather than being like a dark blue or like a dark green, like the colours that I normally do. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with this. That's what the underneath looks like. So as you can see, I've kind of got that pink kind of root part all over my hair. And then it kind of blends down into this like bluey kind of colour. Yeah, I feel like it worked well. My hair feels super soft as well. When I washed it out, I just washed it with water. I didn't use any products or anything on my hair. And yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know your thoughts, I would love to hear. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you guys here in another video very, very soon. Peace out.